Hi, how are you? It's Ching. I'm at Studio Heights of Wellness. We're going to continue practice, our weekly practice. So this week, I'm trying to introduce to you powerful leg, okay? The strengthening of our leg. So with the previous video, we talked about how to use your foot properly. And the muscle go to your foot is from the leg. And then the thigh. And you have laterally rotate, parallel medial rotate, all this. I'm going to put it all together, the whole leg, right? In the whole leg, what? Foot, lower leg, your thigh, going to pelvic. So we cannot forget our first responder because start out with everything is in neutral position. We call it 5 checkpoint. That's a good posture. So today's work, there are 3 movements. We're gonna practice in 3 different leg positions. The first one is parallel. The second one, so you squeeze my tush and wake up the deep 6 or 6 lateral rotators. And dance we call turnout muscle, okay? So your toes point outward. And then the third position, you're a little wider, your heel, it's in line with the hip socket. But your pelvis still in neutral. Everything stay neutral. We want to work on 3 sections of the leg, so hip socket, knee, and the ankle joint. So thigh, leg, and your feet. I'm going to use the chair as a countertop. So you bring the cell phone with you, put it right in front of the countertop or anywhere you're going to practice, like you can prop up. So I'm going to use the chair so I can face this way, show you where my pelvis is. And I can also turn around to show you where my leg position will be. The first one is a little easy, the first position, okay, first practice. We're going to use the parallel position, toes forward, heel back. I turn sideways, you can see better, okay? So the center, you transverse abdominal, the lower portion, and that's the first responder. The first responder in, right? Finding the glutes, so your pelvis upright, so your pelvis cannot be that way. That's anterior tilt or slouching posterior tilt. Those are not good postures. So I'm going to start with the 5 checkpoint right away. And hopefully you have followed me for a while already. Otherwise, find the playlist and to find out 5 checkpoint. Here we go. My head and your head suspend from above, so we do not want a forward head because that's not good, right, for the cranial nerve or pinching. So, and also the artery to bring the blood to your brain cell. So nice and tall first. Here comes the first movement. You're going to repeat 4 times. When I bend my knee, I will flex it. It looks like I'm going to sit down, so I'm not going to do what? Posterior tilt or anterior tilt. Because you cannot do anything without the first responder we call the core muscle. So every single exercise is core muscle. It's about core. It's a core exercise. Okay, so ready? I'm going to bend my knee. Keep looking forward. Do not poke your chin out. So bend. So inhale. Exhale. When you press down, you're going up. So heel lift, right? You push down to heel lift. And inhale, you stay here. On the exhale, slowly hollow your tummy, your spine goes up, your heel goes down. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale, press to go up. Inhale, stay. Exhale, slowly, slowly going down. Again, inhale. Exhale, this is the 3rd time. Press up. Inhale. Exhale. So use this like a little warm-up of every joint. Of course, your mind. Inhale. Exhale, press to go up. Inhale, stay. And exhale, slowly go down. So if you're getting more advanced, you don't need the counter. You do it by yourself, okay? But that's okay. That takes time. Don't jump into it because then you won't like the exercise anymore because you feel like you're being defeated. So right here, the second movement here is press to go up. So heel lifting and return. Exhale. We're just going to do 6 times today. Gradually, you will do 10 times on this one, okay? Inhale, exhale, 3. And exhale, 4. And exhale, 5. and exhale 6 and slowly comes down. You're gonna feel a lot, okay? All the muscle on the leg. Bend your knee, okay? So ready? Exhale, press with the knee bend. I'm going to talk to the soleus, the second layer of your calf muscle. Here we go, slowly. So I'm strengthening the arch of my foot all the way up and slow down. Exhale, 4. 6 times, also 5. And 6. You notice I'm not going up and down. When I lift my heel up, my knee goes forward and come down and return. Okay, so that's the first part. The first position, right? The first foot leg position we're going to use. Next one, I turn to you so you can see better. I'm going to squeeze my glute. I'm going to squeeze my glute, put my heel together and squeeze one more time. My toe is going to diagonal to the side. Sometimes people has better range of motion or greater range of motion, not better but greater. They will turn out more, but that's not important. You have to use the muscle because a lot of hypermobile joint too much. Because we try to use the muscle connect with the joint to do the exercise. So yin yang always together. You'll see I never say yin and yang. Yin yang is one. So when I do the first movement here, so in, I'm going to squeeze my glutes, inner thigh is going to touch, pelvic upright. Don't stick too sharp, right? And exhale, slowly press into your heel lifter. The second toe is your center. Inhale, stay, and lower down, turn sideways, you can see. My pelvis upright. I'm going to release the hip socket, inhale, exhale, slowly going up. You see my ankle straight, not sickling. That's not good. You're going to hurt yourself. And slowly come down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, push down to go up. Inhale, you stay here. Exhale, lengthen the spine as you're going down. Okay, inhale, you release the tush. Give it a little break. Squeeze them, right? Then you push down, you squeeze even more to go up. Inhale, you stay here. Exhale, you squeeze the tush the most and slowly come down. So you're working on the deep 6. The deep 6 is the foundation of the gluteal maxima. So you use them very, very well. Okay, now we're going to do 6 times. Push down to go up. 1. Hollow tummy. 2. And the 3. And the 4. And the 5. And the 6, return, bend your knee. Okay, remember the last one? Lift the heel up, knee goes sideways. Now 1. And the 2. And the 3. Okay, I'm turned sideways so you can see, okay? You're not sticking your tush out, okay? So inhale, exhale, 1. And now the 3, right? Here we go, 5. And the 6, you can see I'm not going up and down. Also, come back, squeeze your glutes. Okay, the very last leg position you're going to do, I call it Eiffel Tower. When you come out, you got a nice, beautiful, like an Eiffel Tower, send the energy out wider. Okay, so ready? In this position in dance with kids, turn out, second position. Here we go, you bend your knee first, in, squeeze your glutes, hollow your tummy, press to go up. Inhale, exhale, slowly come down. Again, inhale, exhale, press. The train's gonna go by. You stay here on the inhale, exhale, slowly come down. We'll do again. Inhale, exhale, press to go up. Can you see that nice Eiffel Tower shape going down, down? Slowly come down. Okay, so you ready? We're gonna do 6 times. Reach your finger down to help. There's a down, there's up, right? Exhale, 1. Hollow tummy, 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And return. If I turn sideways, same thing. Inhale, exhale, 5. Just do 2. And the 6, not that, right? And comes in. Now bend your knee. Same idea, 1. And 2. Don't go up and down, 3. And 4. Strong ankle, 5. And 6. And return. When you build up the power, the last 2 movements, you can do 10 times. That's about it. You don't have to do more. You can repeat the whole thing again. You can do it almost every day until you feel your leg very, very strong. Because the leg's going to carry the weight of your upper body. You get a nice shock absorb while you're walking. Remember all that? It's all in my YouTube. It's all in my channel, all the playlist. So look for how to walking properly, right? Don't land with the heel. Never land with the heel because you lost the shock absorb. Okay? And that's it for today. So we call a powerful leg strengthening. So hopefully you have a nice strong leg. Travel many places and to see the world or see whatever surrounds you in your city or your neighborhood. Take good care. I'll see you next lesson. Have fun, practice. Bye.